Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's start part 2, Class 5 IMO paper set B of this year, which was held on 28th November 2025. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Question number 26. What must be added to 9,97,859 to make a half million? 1 million is 10 lakhs, so half million is 5 lakhs. After subtracting 97,859 from 5 lakhs, we get the answer option A. If P is equal to this and Q is equal to this, then value of Q minus P is. For this, first we have to calculate the value of P, converting mixed fraction into simple fraction and multiplying the both fraction, we get value of P as 57 by 10, value of Q as 209 by 30, and after subtracting and taking the LCM of denominator, we get the answer Q minus P as 38 by 30, and by reducing it we get the answer 19 by 15. 19 by 15 when we convert into a mixed fraction gives the option A, 1 4 by 15, hence option A. Temperature of certain place is 17 degree less than temperature shown on the thermometer. Which of the following option shows 11 degree more than temperature of that place? The thermometer show 35 degrees Celsius. So 35 minus 17 gives 18. And 18 plus 11 gives 29. Hence the option D. How many more squares must be shaded so that given figure has 3 by 5 shaded fraction? Total number of squares in the given figure are 25 and number of shaded boxes are 6. To make the figure 3 by 5 as a shaded fraction, we have to multiply 3 by 5 by 5. So we will get 15 by 25. So 15 squares must be shaded out of 25 to make this fraction. But already 6 are shaded, so 9 more should be shaded to get a fraction 3 by 5. Hence option A, 9. Question number 30. The sixth multiple of 19 is dash more than ninth multiple of 11. Sixth multiple of 19 is 114 and ninth multiple of 11 is 99. Subtract these two, we get answer 15. So it is 15 more, option B. Question number 31. How many of the given letters have more than one pair of perpendicular lines? Letter E, letter F and letter H. These three letters have more than one pair of perpendicular lines, so option 3, that is D. Question number 32 to 33. 450 girls were asked about their favorite games at school. Some girls told about the favorite games and they are shown in the given pictograph. However, some girls did not reply. Study the given pictograph carefully and answer the following question. Which of the following is the correct pictorial representation of girl who did not reply? Girls who did not reply, for that we have to subtract. We have to first add all the girls given in the pictograph. After adding, we get the answer 345. Now subtract 345 from 450. We get the answer 105. Option B represent 105 because one picture of a girl represent 15. So 7 girls represent 105. Option B. Question number 33. How many more girls like Uno and video games together than Ludo? The total of Uno and video game is 150. 150 minus 60 will give 90. So option C. Which pair of numbers has LCM of 72? P and Q has LCM 72. Q and R also has LCM 72. And Q and S also has LCM 72. Hence option C. Question number 35. The given figure shows length of two sticks P and Q. How much longer is stick P than stick Q? Length of stick P is, to calculate the length of stick, we have to subtract 8.6 minus 1.4 will give 7.2, and length of Q can be calculated by subtracting 7.8 minus 2.2, that is 5.6, and then we will subtract 7.2 minus 5.6 will give 1.6. Hence option B. Question number 36. Box containing 8 packets of flour, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram, and 10 packets of sugar, has a total weight 45.75 kg. The weight of empty box is 1.75 kg. What is the weight of one packet of sugar if each packet weighs equal? Box contain 8 packets of flour and 10 packets of sugar, and its total weight is given. For that, and weight of empty box is given. So to calculate the weight of sugar packet, first we have to calculate the total weight of 8 packets of flour. For this we have to multiply 4.5 by 8. It will give 36 kg, and weight of empty box is 1.75 kg. So after subtracting weight of empty box and weight of 8 packets of flour from total weight, that is 45.75, we get the answer 8 kg. But 8 kg is the weight of 10 packets. So one packet has 800 gram weight. Hence option C. Reena took 1/3 of an hour to draw a picture. Reena took 1/3 of an hour to draw a picture and 1/6 of an hour to color it. How much total time Reena completed her drawing? 1/3 of hour means 20 minutes and 1/6 of hour means 10 minutes. So total time taken by Reena is 30 minutes. That is half hour. Option D. A rectangular frame has a length of 20 cm and width of 16 cm. Photo is placed inside it with 2 cm space left on all sides. Perimeter and area of the photo respectively are. To calculate the length and breadth of inside rectangle, we have to minus 2 from both the sides, means total 4 cm from the length and 4 cm from the breadth. So length and breadth of inside rectangle will be 16 and 12. To find the area of inside rectangle, we use the formula length into breadth, that is 16 into 12 will give 192 cm square. And to find the perimeter of inside rectangle, we have to take 16 2 times and 12 2 times, which will give 56 cm. Hence option C. Number 39. Ketan had 8 liter 320 ml of lychee juice. He gave 3/5 of it to her friends and poured the rest equally in 8 bottles. How many milliliters of lychee juice did each bottle contain? For this, first we have to calculate 2/5 of 8320 ml, because 3/5 is given by her to her friends. So rest is 2/5. 2/5 of total amount of juice is 3328 ml. Now divide this juice into 8 equal bottles. We have to divide it by 8. We get the answer 416 ml. So each bottle has 416 ml. Option B. On a certain day, the temperature of Srinagar is 8.1 degrees Celsius and that of Guwahati is 24.8 degrees Celsius. Which state is hotter and by how much? Obviously, the hotter is Guwahati, and for that we have to take the difference, that is 16.7. So option B. A toy manufacturing company produces 27,450 toys in the month of March and April together. If equal number of toys were produced every day, then how much toys were produced in each day? So total number of toys produced in how much day? 31 days of March and 30 days of April. That is total 61 days. They produce 27,450 toys. So for in one day, we have to calculate by dividing 27,450 by 61 days. It will give the answer 450. So 450 toys are produced in one day. Deepak goes for swimming classes on Monday, Wednesday and Friday every week. If each class lasts for 45 minutes, then how much total time did he spend in his swimming classes in 2 weeks? In 1 week, he goes for 3 days. So in 2 weeks, he goes for 6 days. And one day he go for 45 minutes. So for 6 days, he will go for 4 hours 30 minutes. We have to multiply 45 by 6. We get the answer 4 hours 30 minutes, option C. Question number 43. In an initiative, 43,000 plants were planted. If the given number is rounded off to nearest thousand, then what could be the original number of plants planted? Option A, after rounding off to nearest thousand, will give 44,000. Option B gives 44,000. Option C gives 42,000 and option D gives 43,000. So option D. Seema's school was closed from 28th May to 19th June and Tina's school was closed from 2 June to 25th June. Who had a longer vacation? It's Tina, because Seema's school vacation is for 23 days and Tina's school vacations are for 24 days. So Tina has 1 day more vacation. Number 45. Priya wants to put a wooden border around a rectangular photo frame. If the length of the frame is 60 and breadth is 30, what will be the cost of putting the border at 2 rupees per centimeter? To calculate this, first we have to find out the perimeter of frame. For that, we have to add 60 plus 60 plus 30 plus 30. It will give 180. And then multiply 180 by 2, we get 360. So, option A, rupees 360. Let's start the achiever section. Question number 46. Read the given statement carefully and state true or false. There are 7 pairs of parallel lines in the given figure. No, there are 6 pairs of parallel line. If we name the lines as A, B, C, D and L, M, N, so there are 6 pairs. So it's a false statement. Number of obtuse angle inside the given figure is 3. Yes, there are 3 obtuse angle. There are 7 letters given below which have parallel lines. No, there are 4 letters. Because letter E, letter F, M and H. These are the 4 letters which have parallel lines. So it's a false statement. So option B. Question number 47. Asha walked 3 1 by 4 kilometer in morning, 1 by 3 kilometer in the afternoon and then took a rest. In the evening she planned to walk 8 kilometer in total for the day. How much distance she walked in till afternoon? For that we have to add 3 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. After adding these two, we get the answer 4 7 by 12. And now second question. How much more does she need to walk in the evening to complete her goal? To calculate this, we have to minus 4 7 by 12, which is converted into a simple fraction 55 by 12 from 8. After subtracting this from 8, we get the answer 41 by 12, which is when converted into mixed fraction gives the answer 3 5 by 12. So option C. Match the figure column 1 with their number of lines of symmetry in column 2 and select the correct option. First figure has 1 line of symmetry. Second figure has also 1 line of symmetry. Third figure has 2 lines of symmetry. Hence option B. Question number 49. The given line graph shows the monthly sale of bikes in the bike showroom for first 6 months of the year. Read the graph and answer the question. First we have to find out values of each month, number of bikes sold, and then let's start the question. Which month had the second highest sale and by how much less than the highest? After observing the graph, the highest sale is of 350 and second highest is 325. So there is a difference of 25. So it is in the month of March. So March and difference is 25. How many less bikes were sold in January than in February and June together? After adding February and June bikes, we get the answer 150 plus 350, that is 500. And in the month of January it is 250. So difference is 250. Hence option A. Now the last question. The total distance from Karan's house to Neha's house is 3000 meter and distance from Kanak's house to shopping mall is 4 times as far as from Kanak's house to Neha's house. So if distance between Karan and Neha is 3000 and total distance is 12000, so distance between Neha and shopping is 9000. Now let's start the question. Karan traveled from his house to Neha house and then traveled to the shopping mall with Neha. Total distance traveled by Karan is 12,000 meter, means 12 kilometer. Find the total distance traveled by Neha from her house to the shopping mall and back to her house. The distance between Neha's house and shopping mall is 9000 meter or 9 kilometer. So 9 kilometer plus 9 kilometer will give 18 kilometer. Hence the option D. This way, part 2 of class 5 set B paper of this year IMO is explained. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thank you.